Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we apply a leader over the multi-leader objects. Okay, so as you know that this is the leader, you're showing it's a brick and you also want to show that this is a brick and this one is also brick. Okay, so for that you have to click on this home button and here in this annotation group, just click on this little arrow over there and then select add leader. Just after selecting, according to this command, just select multi-leader and then you have to select the object that you wanna show as a multi-leader. Like this one, you can select multiple of objects. I'm selecting this one too and it's done, and then press enter. Now you can use the shortcut. Instead of going here, just use LEADER EDIT. Press enter, select the multi-leader, then select the object and press enter. So this way guys, you can add a leader over the multi-leaders. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.